scandal was the biggest corporate fraud ever witnessed in the business world. From being amongst the top 10 largest and innovative companies in the world to suddenly falling like a pack of cards. This company has seen it all. Let us try to decode this fraud. Enron was formed in 1985 after merger of two companies, InterNorth and Houston Natural Gas. Enron's core business was electricity and natural gas. When Enron was formed, it had the second largest gas pipeline system in the United States. Energy market in the United States was deregulated during 1990s. Enron took advantage of this and expanded their business exponentially. They started selling their products and services to individual households. After a couple of years, Enron started working more like an investment firm by offering gas and electricity futures. At its peak, the total worth of Enron was staggering $70 billion, with its shares trading at $90 each. In August 2001, Sharon Watkins, who was vice president of Enron, sent notification to Kenneth Lay about a huge goof-up in the accounting practices. According to the news reports, Kenneth assured Sharon that he would investigate this, but apparently did nothing. Few months after this incident, Enron announced a third-quarter loss of $618 million. Stock market was shell-shocked by this. The fraud was now started to show its effect. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) launched an investigation in all the transactions. The scandal. During investigation, it was found that Enron exaggerated their assets and profits by using mark-to-market accounting practice. In this method, company considers the market value of the assets during evaluation rather than book value. Enron lost a lot of money in many projects, including Azurix, which was a water service company. Enron also created several limited liability companies which enabled them to transfer all the losses and liabilities to such companies, thus keeping Enron's balance sheet clean and creating illusion that company was making profit. Interestingly, the company accountants Arthur Andersen, who were one of the biggest auditing companies in US, gave approvals on all the financial statements. This also raised suspicion whether they were also involved in this scandal. The aftermath. Enron filed for bankruptcy in December 2001. The value of the shares tumbled from once a peak of $90 to just $0.67. It was also discovered that all the top executives sold their stock before filing for bankruptcy, but the lower-level employees were prevented from selling their stock. This resulted in massive loss to employees. Top executives were found guilty and sent to jail. US government passed a new law called Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002, popularly known as SOX audit, to have better visibility over all the transactions. Enron went from being the most talked about company in the world to being bankrupt in matter of just 16 years. This is one of the prime example how a couple of people could bring down a massive project on its knees with their selfish agenda.
If you love what we do, then please like and share this video. Show your support by subscribing to our channel.